Hey everybody, you're just in time. I'm gonna draw some mouse characters today. You wanna join me? Grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with a cute mouse first. Remember, we always start with our big shapes. I'm gonna draw the head and we're gonna do a line just like that. And then let's finish off the head. Let's leave a little space for the ears and draw this head shape. Kind of like a squashed circle, yeah. And then let's add the ears. Some big ears, because we're gonna do a cute little mouse. Just like that. That looks good. Okay, and now let's do the body. So we come down here and we're gonna start with a line that curves in just like that. And then one on the other side, curves in just like that. We come up with the legs, up with the other leg, and then let's draw a connecting line in between. There, now we have the body and the head of the mouse done. Let's add its arms on the side. One little shape here, and one little shape here. Okay, now that we have the big shapes of the mouse finished, let's add the details inside. We're gonna do some big, cute eyes for our cute little mouse. Yeah, let's add some pupils looking to the side. And some eyebrows. Good job, we're almost there. Let's add a little nose. And two little round shapes underneath. Some cute little teeth. And then his line for his belly. And now his whiskers, just a couple straight lines coming out. And to finish off this mouse, let's give him a little tail. Perfect. And there we have a cute little mouse. Good job. Okay, before you go, we're gonna draw one more mouse, but this time we're gonna do a grumpy mouse like Bubba likes to draw, okay? So this is gonna be a little bit different. Let's start. We're gonna start with a triangle shape, just a straight line, and another straight line like that. Pretty easy. And at the end of these two straight lines, we're gonna draw a round circle, and that's the nose of the mouth. Okay, let's add the big ears. Let's add one ear here and stop. So we're gonna add another one right here and stop. Perfect. Let's add the body now as we keep going with our big shapes first. We're gonna come down with a straight line and we're gonna do a curved line on the other side, just like that. Perfect. So now down here at this point, we're gonna give this mouse a tail. So let's do an S-shaped curve and then do another one going the other way. S-shaped curve. And some lines inside. Perfect. Let's give our mouse some arms. One arm right here. And a hand. And let's give it one more right over here. And a hand. Perfect. Let's give him some feet. Just like that. And now let's finish our mouse with some details. We do a straight line and two round lines underneath for eyes. I like to do my little wrinkles, then I fill in the pupils. Perfect. Let's give this mouse a little smile and some teeth, then some details, and some squiggly whiskers, and maybe even some squiggly hair. Details on the ears. And there we have another mouse. A grumpy mouse. You did such a good job following along. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so happy that you're my friend. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope you'll come back soon. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!